What's up, guys? I'm out here again and I'm dropping something else. I read some of your guys' comments and saw a lot of people saying drop a microwave, so guess what? I got a microwave today and we're gonna be dropping it from 3 levels higher than we normally do. Let's do it, guys. Let's go make it happen. Safety is always key, so we're gonna go down right now, clear out all the people, set up the cameras, and drop that thing. Let's do it. This is the aftermath of the microwave. I think that's the plate inside. This is the microwave itself. That's inside. This is the panel. It fell upside down. This is what it turned out to be. So you guys remember the before? This is the after. Got the broom, time to sweep. That's all the inner stuff. That's probably where the main hit was. Deformed, transformed the whole thing.